Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to give you the review or the self-given analysis of the RRB PO exam, which was conducted on 20 of August and shift 1. So starting with the reasoning, there were 5 puzzles. I could say it was a bit lengthy because we need to solve all the 5 puzzles and we need to answer around 20 questions. So I could say it was a bit lengthy. So the 5 puzzles are, first one was a circular seating arrangement and which had 8 persons and 4 of them were facing inside and the other 4 were facing outside. And the other one was uncertain linear arrangement. I think around 19 persons were sitting in the row and all of them were facing north. So the third one was linear arrangement, wherein they had 7 persons and each of the person like one color. So this was a bit tricky to solve. Like I took more time to solve this puzzle. And the other one was month and date based puzzle, which consisted from the month September to December, 4 months, and which has 15th and 22nd dates. And the other one was, fifth one was box based puzzle. It has 10 boxes and also this one was also tricky to solve. Like the question framing was like this, like there are 4 boxes between I and H, 2 boxes between G and J, 2 boxes between B and F, so something like that. So it was the framing was something like that. So it took some time to solve this question, but eventually if you solve the 5 questions which were asked for this data, it was easy, it was direct question. And the apart from puzzles, the miscellaneous, you can see one was pair formation, it was between the alphabets, and the other one was word formation, wherein the word form was coin, and from this you need to find the third word from the left side. So this was easy, and we had 5 syllabes and most of them were like only a few cases. So yeah, it was also easy. And the next one was inequalities. One of them was without comma and the other 3 or 4, I guess, they were with comma. This was also easy. And blood relation, it was quite tricky for me, so I just solved only 2 questions from this. Sorry, 1 question, not 2. I just solved only 1 question from blood relation. And the next one was direction and distance. It was easy. And the other miscellaneous problem was like there were few digits given and we need to add 2 to even digits and we need to subtract 1 from the odd digits. So after that we need to find the sum of third digit from the right hand and fifth digit from the left hand. I think 9 and 6. The answer was around 15 or 16, something like that. Comment down like what was the answer if you remember it. And the other one was miscellaneous problem, so basically I don't remember it. So these were the questions from reasoning. And coming to the point, there were 3 DIs. One was caselet. Guys, caselet was so easy. I mean, there were no such twist in the data given. Like simple data, they have given the number of medical, I think, and food, something is in. So they have given the data for medical and food, and they said the the other 50% is ID. Though we need to, do the sum for these 2, and that will be equal to the IT. And we will be getting all the 3 datas, and for all the 3 datas we need to find the ratio, we need to find the male and female ratios. That's it. If you prepare this data, then all the 5 questions you can easily solve it, and all the 5 questions were very direct questions. And it was very easy, guys. It was I did not feel like it was a caselet. I felt it was similar to a Venn diagram, like simple, very simple, very very simple. And the other one was linear graph. This was also very easy, guys. It had 2 variables. One was production and demand, and for 4 things like A to D. And this it also had direct questions. I think one question it had some twist. So yeah, so these two were very easy, and the other one was bar graph. I barely remember what was the data and what the variables were. I think it was bachelor's because I did not attempt it. I thought it could be lengthy, so I just left it out. Quadratic equations, it was very easy, guys. Like, it had minus plus most of them, and all of them had the coefficients, and mostly the coefficients were of 2. So it was easy, and approximation was also easy. Number series and arithmetic, I can't assure you because I was able to do the number series, but the time was done, so I did not attempt the number series and arithmetic, and this one DI. So yeah, this was the paper for quant. I could say I have solved 20 questions in span of 12-15 minutes. So yeah, it was good attempt for me like if I say from quant, and my total attempts are 56, and reasoning I have attempted 36 questions, and quant I have attempted 20 questions. Reasoning, guys, I could say it was lengthy and it was time taking. So yes, guys, these are my attempts. Also comment down like how many attempts have you done and how was the paper, like how you felt the paper was. In my point of view, it was easy to moderate level, but it was quite lengthy. These are my attempts. Like, I do not have any idea of like what would be the cutoff, but like if I check for the previous year 2021 and for Telangana it was 51. So yeah, hope so I get qualified for mains. So yes, guys, this is my review for RRB PO shift 1. Hope so it helps you, and all thank you, and please do not forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. And yes, guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more such videos.